Alright, so as y'all boys can tell, right? I'm back again with a video. I ain't uploaded, see in 2 weeks. I ain't gonna lie, I miss y'all, right? But I ain't gonna lie, right? When I woke up today, right? I see 130 subscribers. I said, hold up. I had 130? I said, hold up. I had 130. I said, we on the road, man. Thank y'all for 130 subscribers, man. Feel me? You know, I don't even know what to say, y'all. I knew we can do it. I knew we could do it. Feel me? I knew we could do it though. Feel me? But this gonna be the what? This gonna be the last part of Monkey. This gonna be the last Monkey. This part 5, y'all. This gonna be the last one. So, I mean, as y'all boys can see on my screen right now, right now. We gotta probably get started, y'all. Yo. What's poppin', gang? What's poppin'? Do you like my hair, twin? Yeah, twin. Man, you like my hair, twin? Are you mad, Foxy? Yeah. Why she mad? Why you mad? You see? Let me get my hair on. You gonna be mad. I'm gonna get my whole back dog. That's what I'm saying? Okay, then. Yeah. No, but I'm gonna that pink guy. Well, I don't know what you're talking about, yo. Yeah. Play that. Play it. Yeah, I say yes. Yeah, that's not it. Not it right now. He just needs to learn more lessons. Yo. You freestyle. Pause. I know y'all seen the ball already. You better kill it. Hey. Where y'all from? Chicago. Why y'all in the car like? Damn, why you look good. All that dark streamy stuff. Gotta go. Hello. How you doing? What? How you doing? Oh no, not bad. Where y'all from? From Mass. What y'all doing outside? We're smoking. Kids don't smoke. That's bad. Huh? Kids don't smoke. I don't do that for nobody. Black string. Oh, I can't tell you, man. You feel me? Yo, man. So it'd be weirdos on this app at nighttime. It's 8:40 p.m. Hey. 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 How old are you? Younger than you. Oh, gotta go. Gots to go. Bro, you're not even in no game. You's a bitch, bro. Yo, daddy. Nigga not even in the game. He doing all this. She looked good. I ain't gonna hold. She looked too good. She looked real good. Yo, what is an old head doing on his head? Everybody just want to ship me, huh? Everybody want to ship Walmir. Yo. Bro, you can't even say you can't say the N word. You can't say the N word. You can't say the N word. Yeah, I'm black, nigga. He said the N word, y'all. He said the N word. I ain't digging that. I ain't digging that. He said the N word. Ooh, that don't sound good. But where y'all from?
Man, you get my order? Can you stop freezing? Like, he's not frozen. You can see him. I know. I'm about to skip you. What's that?
I did it first.
What's up? Good game.
Y'all kids. Wait, how old is you?
13.
What are you doing on this app?
What?
What are you doing on this app? What are you... Kids, don't be on this app at 13 years old. To all the kids out there, y'all. To all the kids right there. Yo, bitch ass nigga. You like a girl, nigga. That nigga like a girl. Bitch ass nigga. Yo. Alright, so y'all just gonna sit there and keep shipping me, huh? Y'all wanna ship me. It's cause I'm my friends. Yo, man. Wait.
What's that?
What's happening? How many years y'all been locked down for?
So where we from?
Yeah.
South Carolina.
That's your...
The Devil. No, that's not my girlfriend.
Cousin?
That's my best friend.
Wow.
That's your girlfriend.
How you knew that?
Because you just told me.
She coming back home tonight too.
You going back home or you gonna stay with your best friend? You going back home to your man? She said yeah.
Then you gonna hit the strip button on me?
You fucking tell me you gonna be fucking like the irritating.
I'm getting mad.
Buddy gotta be from Philadelphia.
How you know?
You feel like it?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, you dead ass?
Yeah, I'm from Philly.
Oh.
Well, baby girl, like excuse me, miss. I seen you across the room. I just wanna. How you doing?
I'm good.
your face back in the can. Put your face back in the can.
My forehead is all
No,
swollen.
no, it's not. No, it's not. You look good. Yeah. Oh, she got the sun. Oh, she got the hair. She got the hair. Oh. Not you.
What you say?
Not you. We talking about the one in the middle. We talking about the one in the middle. The one in the middle is gorgeous.
What you say?
Where you from?
I'm from Philly. Where you from?
You ain't from Philly.
I don't look, bro. I'm from Philly. What?
No, you don't sound like you from Philly.
Girl, you was from... No, I'm just playing. Where you from?
Philly.
Oh, I'm from Kentucky. Yeah, I'm from Kentucky.
Yo, well, what's out there to do? What y'all be doing out there? What you be doing out there?
What?
What do you be doing out there?
Same thing you do up there.
No, you don't.
Okay.
Cause I'm in the streets.
Oh my God. Bring me back and see your Instagram because there's too much going on.
Got a ass, y'all. Got it. Oh. I didn't pull it up to the side. Huh?
He thought he ate. Why do you like the same color? Right.
Hey. No.
Leave me alone.
They're shipping.
Girl, my girl, she loves me. Okay.
Yo, where are you from?
Texas, where you from?
I'm from Philly. And I was wondering, can I be your boyfriend? Now, when you do this, right, you accept me as your friend, right?
Huh?
Wait, you from Texas? I should be. Oh wait, I'm coming out to Texas next month. So like, you gonna show me around?
Do you want me to show you around?
Do I? You hear me? Do I?
Do you?
Yes.
Okay.
Alright, so what, right? I'm gonna text you after this, alright? You better text me back, alright? Alright, have a nice day. I ain't coming to Texas. No sign too. Oh my God, what the fuck is that?
Boy, he's got his phone right now. Like, where's the bell? Yo, Mary.
Yo,
You're not from Philly, cuz.
why you think that?
What part of the city you from?
No.
Cap.
Come on now. What is it to cap about?
You're not from the bitty.
You not from the bitty.
You tripping. I'm from the bottom, nigga. Yeah, you know I'm from the bitty. You see how I
Back.
talk, nigga. I'm from the
Back.
bottom, nigga.
Back.
I'm from 39th and Ashford, nigga. Act crazy. Yeah. Where you from? Nigga act like he froze. Hey, bitch. Okay. Nigga act like he froze. Yo, bro, I see your art moving still, buddy.
Yeah, fuck nigga. Yeah.
Yo, what's your block? What block you from, bro?
These nuts nation. Nigga, you too fucking fed on this app, man. Don't be so fed. I don't like federal people, man. From the A? H line. Twin slide. Hey twin. I ain't fucking with me today. It's good. I ain't fucking with me. What you looking at?
If you see me and you're trying to see what's up, why don't fuck with me, but I'm gonna have what's up.
Come on, man. What's up with you niggas, man? What's up with you people on this app, man? Oh, I gotta stop that.
What are you?
Yo.
What's good, gang? What you doing?
Nothing right now, guy. Making a video.
Bro, take
See? I think she ain't on my glasses. These the motherfuckers. These glasses right here, these cost like these glasses right here been through a lot with me. Trying to tell you, that's why I wear that. Bro, when I'm at Airbnbs, I'm like this.
You're a black monkey.
I was gonna say something, but I don't want to be racist. I don't want to get me in my bed. Huh?
Do I have HIs?
A little bit. No problem. I said a little bit.
I don't know where your kid is from.
Why?
Because somebody told me I had HIs.
Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. I'm not the one.
And I'm not the one for you to be talking to.
Oh, who do you think you're talking to?
Who think you're talking to?
You need to get on your edges.
There you go. Nobody else in the room.
Do your edges.
And I will.
At least you know they fucked up.
Do you have a nice cutting? Take
No,
a minute.
I'm woofing right now. I'm woofing right now. So you need to
Look, the other one who asked my name, she was bad. What was it, bro? Yo, Trish, I'm gonna be right back, bro. Alright. What's good? How you doing? So you just gonna speak? Laugh if you like big black men. Alright. Meet you. I'm gonna make you laugh. Damn. How was your day? It was good, right? Why don't you talk? That's not right. That's not wrong. Speak. You know what? If you don't talk, you're gay. Whoa, you swing that way? Nah, not me. I'm speaking. Hey, if you swing that way, hey, it's okay. It's 2023, you know what I'm saying? We don't stone people for that anymore, you know? Nah, not me. I'm chill. Houston, guess what? Nah. Houston, guess what? Move. Benji, what? Where's he at? He left? Yeah, he went somewhere. Or who's the person in the back? got, bro.
I want to ask you something.
Okay, what do you want to ask? That's so important. No, it's not important. I don't care. Me? Daniel. Is this nigga deaf? Is he deaf? No, I know he can speak, bro, because he's responding to me. He's just not speaking. What, me? Okay, yes, okay, I? Deaf? Who is behind me? Oh, those are my little brothers. Those retarded kids that he rapes every day. Bro, you are so out of pocket, bro. I'm not joking. He always touches his little brothers. I always hear them screaming for help. Bro, first of all, touching and that are two different things. Yeah, don't trust them. Exactly. Don't trust them. It's called discipline, bro. It's called discipline. He touches his kids just...
No, that is bad, man.
He's gonna shake his head and disapprove something.
Oh, my black brother.
Well, go on, brethren.
But I'm saying, you feel me, man? What you really feel me, man? My brother, man. Feel me? Shades. The shades. When you got the shades on, it's different. How you in your feelings? See, he in his feelings. We ain't on that over here. We don't like to be in our feelings. We gonna do 2 more and we out, man. Oh. Wait, is you mean? Are you a boy or a girl? Huh? Oh, it's a nigga. It's a nigga. It's a nigga. Pause. 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 Yo. Pause. Alright, y'all. This is the last one. This is the last one.
I just looked up. You real nice? You need to be stopped.
Pause, bro. What type of time you on?
You do 7-Elevens?
Yeah.
You do 2 or 3 nights. 2 or 3 nights, yeah?
2.
I don't know. You count for me?
Pause, bro. Stop.
I don't know. You gotta get the little snap after. Like.
No. Get that nice slap, man. Yeah. Alright, man. You feel me? As we all, feel me? We got some baddies, you feel me? Hold up. Feel me? We got some baddies, you feel me? I'm gonna see if I can get them on the video. Feel what I'm saying? Yeah, no, but no. I'm gonna see if I can get them on the video, feel me? We just hit 130 subscribers, you feel what I'm saying? You feel me? You feel what I'm saying? You know, if you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, feel me? Welcome to the family, feel me? We on the road to 200 subscribers, you feel me? Oh yeah, just to let y'all know, I will be vlogging. I know y'all be like when I be vlogging and all that, feel me? But it will be a vlog on the block. Just to let y'all know, it will be a vlog on the block. But what day is that? August 12th. It will be a movie. Hopefully we can do a good hour vlog. Feel me? It might be an hour, it might be 30 minutes. You never know. Might get y'all a good 25 to 30 minute vlog, or I might be an hour. You never know. Feel me? But like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.